Pray for me, for me. Pray I find my way.
Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is MsTopacJay. If you're new to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. Okay, I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So in today's video, I am going to be trying out the new two most hyped product so far, in my opinion anyway. That is the Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette and the Fenty Beauty Stunner lip paint. These two cost a lot of money and they better be worth it. And just so you know, I've already swatched the Huda Beauty palette. Do you see my hand? What does this look like? It looks like I should create something creative on my face. But anyway, so if you're interested in seeing the first impression on these two products, just keep watching this video. If you yet subscribe, you know what to do. Just click the subscribe button down below. Okay, turn it from red to gray, turn notification and all that. Like this video if you like it. Comment down below when you just subscribed and let us know that you've joined the fam bam. You know, hashtag fam bam. Yep. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Guys, it is currently 5 a.m. and I have not slept at all. And I'm leaving the house in about 2 hours. Okay, anyway, so I already swatched it. Swatching it, I am both impressed and unimpressed. I'm impressed at the pigmentation, not at the swatch. Some of these powders were a little bit powder-y and chalky in my opinion, and that is the shade, the yellow shade, and this shade, this one, is this orange? This shade right here, yep, salmon, what is that? I don't know. It was a little bit chalky, and the red shade as well. So I do understand that these shades can be a little bit difficult to formulate, so I get that, but I am impressed at the fact that, you know, it leaves a little bit of a stain when you kind of wipe the color off, but I'm also not impressed because it leaves a little bit of a stain when you wipe the color off, so I'm a little bit so we just need to wait until we apply it on our eyes, you know. Okay, so let's just zoom you in. Now, if you don't know about this palette yet, the Huda Beauty palette, this tiny little thing. If you're based in Australia, this costs 48 Australian dollars. US dollars, I think it's 20 something US dollars, isn't it? I'm not really quite sure, I can't remember. And Huda Beauty herself released 3 of this. So if you don't know about it, that's my little rundown about this palette. Okay, so as you guys can see, I already have my base on and I already have brows on. The only thing that's on my lid is my base. And in case you're wondering, I have the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay Place Makeup Foundation on my face. And I also set it, if you don't really need to, with the L'Oreal True Matte Super Blendable Powder in a shade 8, 9. And 9. Oh, baby doll. Oh, see. Oh, I should really wipe this eyeshadow off my hand. So I think I want to just go ahead and apply the eyeshadow on one eye and just see how bright and whatnot it is. You know, if I need to have a lighter base. You've only got 9 shades in there. Is that 9? Yes, it is. It's like looking at a Rubik's Cube. By the way, fun fact, before I knew that Rubik's Cube was Rubik's Cube, I always call it a Rubik's Cube. I didn't know. No one told me. So let's go in with I really want to work with that yellow shade. Let's go in with the yellow. Let's just go straight into the yellow shade right there. Where is it? Where did you go? I want to know. Can I have you in my face? Okay, I see you right now. I see it. I think I grabbed the wrong brush. This is not the brush. By the way, this is the E137 brush in the AOA line, the Shop Miss A line. Now I've switched to the E136 brush. It's just a fluffy brush, and I'm still working with that yellow shade, and I'm just gonna blend things just as a transition, because why not? And the more I blend, the more it disappears, but I can still see it. I think I need a lighter base. Okay, so scratch that. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a lighter concealer and I will be right back. Here we go. I've gone ahead and set my lid, and I used the Makeup Revolution Cosmetic Defy Concealer in the shade C10, and then I set it with the RCMA No Color Powder. Okay, maybe yellow is not my portion today. I mean, it's showing up, you know, but I don't know. I don't know what I was expecting actually. Let me just push out all expectation, including the expectations that I didn't know myself, you know, and let's just go in like I didn't know what it was supposed to be like. All right, I'm gonna grab the shade at the far left in the palette, and I'm just going to, you know, place this there as well. Yep, this is orange, isn't it? Yep, so I'm using this as transition shade apparently as well, but still letting that yellow show through a little bit as much as it can. One thing that I've noticed so far, the shades are a little bit, I don't know, there's a little bit of chalkiness to them, you know? And it's not just because of what I used on the lid. Like even when I was swatching it, I think I mentioned this in the beginning already, it was a little bit chalky, you know? So I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Let's go in with this red shade. I'm just gonna focus this on the outer corner, but mainly in the crease. Maybe I should stamp it. The great thing is I haven't done my concealer, so when I'm doing my concealer, I can just clean up that edge a little bit better, you know. All right, let's do a little bit of a color switch because there's a bit of stain on there. That's better. Let me just try and blend the edge a bit, just right here. Hey, I blend and it just runs away. Hello, bye-bye. All right, let's go into this green shade. All right, I'm gonna pack this into my outer, where is it? Okay, I'm just gonna pack this into my outer corner if it does decide to show up. Oh Lord, looks like we're just gonna need to pack it, but like even packing it is not, I don't know if you can see, like it's, the pigment is not staying right there. This is actually kind of like subculture, but subculture is a little bit better right now. I'm packing it, I'm packing it in, but I don't know if you can see that space. Like watch. Okay, so there it is. It ain't stay. Okay, let me change the brush. Maybe it's the brush. Hang on, it's probably the brush. Okay, I'm grabbing it more flatter. I just want this color in my crease right there. It's not working either. Hold on. Hold on. They don't love you like I love you. Slow down. They don't love you like I love you. I'm using an actual concealer brush now. Oh, there we go. Oh, for like. So the thing is, when you pack it in, try not to blend it, because if you blend it, the color will like move. See, the color will move away, like literally. The way at this rate, I'm gonna hit pan really soon because I keep digging in there so I can get the bloody shadow, and I can't return this anymore. The fact that I spent $48 on this. And this is my first Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I am not impressed so far. And I like Huda Beauty. I like her drive, you know? And honestly, even if I had gotten this in a PR and I'm having this effect, because we had that conversation, you know who you are, you know, in the comment section recently. If I got this in PR and I had this effect, what have people been saying about this? I know I've seen, I think 1 or 2 review on this, but I didn't really like listen attentively. Where did I go wrong? I want to know. I could have used $48 to buy food, but instead I starved myself. How did this shadow get to on my palm? How? Can someone tell me? Tell me how. How did you get on my palm? I want to know. How did you find your way there? Love me. Hold up. They don't love you like I love you. Slow down. They don't love me like I love you. Ooh, look at the amount of shadow we just wasted. I don't know, man. I don't know. Let's just grab this last shade, the shimmer shade right here, which is a green shimmer shade or blue. All these colors are even confusing me. And I'm just gonna grab the concealer. I'm just gonna swipe it on my lid. Ooh, see, that's pretty. This is gonna turn into a look at the end of the day. Don't worry. VIP. Yeah, it's a little chunky. So maybe I just need to go in, swipe, and swipe. You know, just kind of like almost blind myself, you know. Whatever shade this is, this sucker is gone. This is gone. Oh, I'm sure you see this. Like, even if you wear 3 glasses stacked on top of each other, you can still see this from outside. You know what I mean? Like, so yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna speed through this, and just because I feel like I'm literally, like, I've been talking for about 24 minutes, which I'm sure I would have cut down. So I'm just gonna speed through what I'm doing, and I might still say some stuff and just overlay, and then I'll talk to you at the end. Run. This is bullshit. I'm sorry, Dad. I couldn't find any other word. It's like we just created a moon. I see the moon. The moon sees me. You guys know, like, if you guys are watching my video for the past few weeks or even the past 2 months, you know that every eyeshadow look I do, like, I have minimal fallout. Even with shadows that does have fallout, that people get fallout from, I generally tend to have minimal fallout because I am always extra careful. But this one right here, I knew I shouldn't have done my base. But I was like, okay, it's okay, just do your foundation and then you can do your concealer. So whatever it is that happens, you know, you can just use the concealer to cover it. Seriously. Oh Lord, let me spray it. Oh, a shadow just fell from my face onto my shirt. That was eucalyptus oil. That was eucalyptus oil, guys. Oh, there's shadow all over me. It's okay, we'll deal with it later. All right, let's get yellow. I cannot. The shades don't stay. They do not stay, especially the shimmer. And no, I've only used this one mermaid-ish color shimmer shade or whatever. Ooh, hello. Hey. But literally, it doesn't stay either. This shade does not stay. This shade, maybe this shade stays a little, you know, because you can still see here. The yellow is nothing to write home to Nigeria about. This one, I don't know where it is. I didn't use this one, so I don't know. I don't. Every time I see someone on Instagram use this palette, I'm like, whoa, that's so good. How do you do it? I think I need to try this again on a day that I am not. Actually, I wasn't cranky when I started filming this video. I was actually really happy, you know, even though I was tired, which I still am. I'm just, you know, high, you know, from tiredness and fatigue and insomnia, you know what I mean? So I wasn't cranky. So there wasn't any pre-existing crankiness before this video. I don't even know if I want to like do the stunner lip paint into this video because I feel like I won't be doing it justice. So we're only going to focus on the Huda Beauty, and I'll feature the stunner lip paint in another first impression video. Because, no, I haven't tried to do something different and all that. And literally, the more I try to blend all this stuff, the more they just keep going away. And as you guys can see, I tried to blend it off my face, and it just kept going away. I can't believe I just wasted Estee Lauder on this whole thing. And I shaved my brows. Like, I tweezed my brows because I wanted to look good for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I've been talking for about 34 minutes. It gotta stop, okay? I would put on lashes, but seriously, why? Look at this. You see that? It's gone. This is like evaporating. It's okay. Hey, it's leaving. Yeah, and my hand looks like a disco ball or like a mermaid or whatever. I might as well just swipe it on my face. Maybe this palette would be good for like nice creative art thing, which I've never done before. So let's just have fun with it. That took a turn. I call this Guardians of the Galaxy. So I really love this palette. It's very pigmented, like the colors stay true, like it doesn't leave the crease, you know, like if you want a palette that will give you the effect that, you know, of like just putting your finger on it and it follows you, like you're really going to love this. Nah. Maybe I should give it one more chance. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video or found something helpful or useful. I hope this video wasn't too long, because I think I rambled on so much because I had a lot of emotion to show. So I'm gonna go and wash my face now, have a shower, have a 1 hour nap before I go and pick up my sister. And why am I talking so low? I have no idea. I'll see you guys in my very next video. And if you're new to my channel, I'm not usually, I am crazy, but not to this extent. Who am I kidding? Anyway, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video after I've had about 24 hours of sleep. See you soon. Always remember to love yourself, including your crazies. It's okay. It's okay. Bye.
But I gotta take a chance. Oh, I'm already gone, so just pray for me.